Hello, word fans, and welcome back. I'm Alex, and today's word is bar. It's a B2 level verb, and it means to block or prevent. So when we say bar, we mean we are stopping something from happening or getting through. Think of a literal bar blocking a door. That's the basic idea. Some synonyms for bar could be exclude, like the club excludes anyone under 18, or obstruct, as in heavy snow obstructed the road. Now, let's look at some antonyms. Instead of blocking, we could have include, such as the party includes all our friends, or permit, like the manager permits early departures on Fridays. In everyday life, you might hear the rain barred us from going to the beach, meaning the rain prevented us from going. You could also hear someone say, the bouncer barred him from entering the club, meaning he was blocked from entering. We might use phrases such as a bar to progress, meaning something that hinders progress or even barred from entry. Some example sentences are, the thick fog barred the airplanes from taking off. Financial constraints barred the company from expanding, or even his age barred him from the competition. All right, that's it for bar. Remember, it means to block or prevent. Thank you all for joining me today. Please hit that subscribe button and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover this podcast. Also, try to make up your own sentence using bar and post it in the comment section below this video.